Hello writers! This video will show you how you can easily add an audio recording in a Canvas discussion. When you're in a discussion in Canvas, click the reply box and you'll notice in the options of different icons that there's a record and upload media button. Click on that. And in the window that opens, your computer may prompt you to ask if you want to allow sharing of your camera and your microphone. You can just click Allow. And it will automatically set up to record both audio and visual. When you click on Webcam, you can click No Video. And then your computer might again prompt you to ask to allow. And you'll see that that automatically shifted to microphone only. The video is now gone. Now all I have to do is click on Mic and then click Start Recording. This is a test to show how easy it is to record audio in a Canvas discussion. Once I'm done with that, I can title it if I want to. It might be good to put the date on it for your own reference and then click Save. And once I click Save, it will automatically upload the audio file to the Canvas discussion. And then I need to click Post Reply to post it. And now my audio file is posted in my discussion. It's as easy as that.